Chance Cars Limited is pleased to present yourself with this outstanding 2014 Honda CR-V 2.0 i-VTEC X SUV 5-door petrol. Auto with 76,416 and 1 previous owners, service history and recently serviced, MOT, the 9th of April 2027. There are many great features in this car like reverse camera and rear parking sensors, sat-nav, electric heated leather seats, panoramic roof, electric folding mirrors, the Bluetooth interface, auto headlights and high beam. R breakdown, 3-month standard warranty extended up to 2 years. Vehicle registered, the 6th of December 2014. Buying with Chance Cars Limited. Chance Cars Limited is independently owned family-run motor dealer in Sutton, Surrey. Chance Cars are experienced suppliers of excellent condition pre-owned cars. We pride ourselves in our feedback we got from our satisfied customer. On our site you will find more information on the latest selection of quality used cars available for sale. We really do care about our customers, and in recognition to that we have received AutoTrader Customer Choice Award for 6 years. We strive to deliver the best possible customer experience, but don't take our words for it. Read our 227+ great reviews. We present our cars to you with high standard preparations. Our commitments to price and working with AutoTrader means our stocks are monitored daily and all priced at good, great price. For yours and our peace of mind, all our cars are pre-inspected and necessary vehicle data checks are checked. Chance Cars Limited is a highly rated, family-run dealership in Sutton, London, proudly offering quality used cars with honest service and unbeatable value. With a 4.95 AutoTrader rating and up to 6 months warranty plus R breakdown cover, we make sure you drive away with confidence. Visit us today and experience car buying the way it should be: simple, transparent, and friendly.